U.S. Consul General here, Nicole Theriot, visited the Mazar of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Consul General Theriot laid a floral wreath at the Mausoleum, paid her respects to the founder of Pakistan. Signed the guestbook on behalf of the people of the United States. She noted, "It's a great honor to be here at the Mazar-e-Quaid to pay my respects and commemorate the legacy of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The United States shares his vision of a unified, democratic Pakistan, one in which equality, social justice, and economic opportunity prevail. These ideals gave rise to Pakistan's creation, and they reflect values that we all hold dear." Consul General Nicole Theriot subsequently visited the tombs of Liaquat Ali Khan, Pakistan's first Prime Minister.
In Washington, Pakistan's Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan and his wife, the Begum Shaiba, are greeted by President Truman, Mrs. Truman, and daughter Margaret.
And Fatima Jinnah, Quaid-e-Azam's sister. She then visited the adjoining museum and greatly appreciated the artifacts related to the life of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Consul General Theriot remarked, "I'm here to reaffirm the U.S. government's commitment to further strengthening our economic ties, exploring ways to broaden our bilateral trade, boost investment, and help create conditions for expanded entrepreneurship and educational opportunities. I look forward to working closely with the people of Sindh and Balochistan and to strengthening our people-to-people, cultural, educational, and economic ties. The United States is deeply saddened by the devastating loss of life, livelihood, and homes throughout Pakistan. The American people remain steadfast in their support for flood-affected communities through Pakistan." In the spirit of U.S.-Pakistan solidarity, the United States, through USAID, announced on 30th of August $30 million in life-saving humanitarian assistance to support people and communities affected by severe flooding in Pakistan. In addition to this $30 million in urgently needed humanitarian assistance, the United States also provided $1.1 million in grant and project support earlier in August to ensure direct assistance reaches those communities most impacted and to help mitigate and prevent the effects of future floods.
We talked about some of the hardships and suffering that have been caused by the recent rains and flooding. And we're very happy that we're able to announce today a new $1 million U.S. grant that's going to go to help Sindhi farming communities build their resilience in the face of extreme weather events like this that unfortunately have become more common in recent years. It'll also help the Sindh government as well as the governments of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan to plan for their disaster relief to deal with future flooding situations.